Take a ride in the 2018 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, navigation system, LED headlights, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, moonroof, power steering, alloy wheels. Come see the car for yourself.